So, brothers and sisters, it's very easy. I want to tell you all something. It's very easy. Whenever we try to get something straightened up, there are always some Africans that will try to tell us that the way we are doing it is not the right way. Baba, namaste. Happy Diwali. Hold on, wait. Me from Delhi. New Delhi. Me, Utamnaga, Duakamo, all of that. You understand? All of you in Africa, you living properly, Abi? Any police station? No police station in Africa, Abi? You know my brothers in Africa always running for police. Okay. Now, when you talk to your people, talk to your India police to leave Africans alone. If they kill any of us again, all of them go back to our country, or they not go get peace. Brother, I know what you want to say, but I want to tell you that they kill your brothers there, you must know.
Please.
Not they protect their rights. They're not they protect us for their more.
Don't come and harass my customer.
Not be your customers. They're not they protect us for their more. Very wicked people.
I understand. You can do that one outside.
No, see, make your people begin to complain. May you see them. Not they protect them. They're not they protect us for their side.
I'll be forced.
It's not too much. Anywhere we see them, I so go they let them know. You know what they do us. If you walk me out, I will go out. But they kill your brothers there. I'm trying to let you know. If you get person for India, you're not going to try to stop me.
You can do it outside. Please.
You won't try to stop me if you get person for India.
You can do your shop.
India, why for the country people where wicked die, they get police for here. Now so we they run up and down every day, they kill us every day for there. They take our properties, they put us on prison, send a deportation camp. Now there be this. Make Africans in India come online, make you hear what they will tell you now. Then they come back to Nigeria soon now. Not be all of them they put for deportation camp. Make them come back now. All these ones go around, go ask. Stop videoing what? You all seize the phone. Go call Navy come. See Army barrack there, they go call the come. And they tell you something, say you all call Navy come. I be like Calabari.
No problem with you.
Call Army barrack come.
No.
Okay. You want belittle me give India for my country? For my country. You know what I had the face for India for I call last week? Call your Navy come, make up guide them now. And they tell you say,
done this on the road.
brother, if we don't have peace in India, I got a video you give them, they see you. You go see what your brothers go tell you. If we don't have peace in India, I see no reasons why Indians will have peace in our country. We can't give out what we don't have. So all of this is hypocrisy. Is what we want to stop. Don't try to protect them. For their more, if you see what these people they do us, their security say go slap you.
This me, I go there, I go India where we understand the don't reach.
And they let enemy are for see them, that's why I go to let them know. They're too wicked.
If not outside, my for
You don't see wicked people so.
listen to me.
See, they kill our brother them for us. They are police. They put our people through their jail 12 years. You not commit crime because say you black.
Listen to me.
Take. Nobody they harass me, I know my rights.
Every day now you come shop right.
Not the only shop right, any day I see them, I go to tell them. You know the injustice where with the experience. You don't support them.
Say the matter, not be for you. You won't try our customer.
I go where they stay, go speak to themselves. I not fear anybody. I go Army barrack, go tell them. They're mad. I better do my own man, they go. Not they protect them. Inside church, our church, they're the oppressors. For their more, they're the oppressors. Yeah, this is what I'm trying to tell you now. They're the oppressors for their more too. I don't know how Africans behave safe. When you try to correct these people, there are always some Africans that will come to tell you that you are not doing the right thing. Why for India, if India madman hold you like this, people they join her, they don't want to know what you do. Then they kill you once. You know India? Call your police, come. See me say, they fear one person. India, you know what Indians are to Africans? Delete waiting. Make gonna share the video. Delete waiting. No, they make this country the back. They make police go kill our brothers for Tollgate. So now people like you, those armies will go kill our brothers. They are not different from you. I said, leave away for me, I'm going to let them know.
You are supposed to.
Your brothers who preach here, they tell you 600 Africans they hang every day for India. 600 Africans. No crime because they are black.
These people, they treat you for their country.
But in India for the come last week. You know how many years I spent for India? You know this one they know.
Anyway,
India madman. If they arrest you, collect money for your hand. Now millions they pay. 1 million, 2 million every day.
They are wicked.
Nobody wicked reach India for the full world. If you know how India beat Sefe, you're not gonna blame me. You go hold this one just and with a beater inside the mall. You know India. Don't know India. Man, show you their video. My landlord go come and see my AC. If you like your AC, they tell you say park. It won't take your load. 2 seconds, you dey run. You not be black man. You know India.
They're wicked there. India wicked.
Man can't share for anywhere now. If you know they get peace, they're not gonna get peace. I don't come. Take my sister. Anyhow I do it is the way. Another way, there's no peaceful way to get it. You don't get it peacefully or lovingly. Call your army, come. Nobody. All the ones who they put for prison so that they come out now. When they come out, when they come worry shop right, Mona stop all of us, say we not carry India. We go beat them. As we don't get peace for their country, they don't get peace for our country too.
Well, boss, you go wait for a bug.
I go waiting for your police.
You go wait.
For what?
You go wait.
For what?
You go wait.
Wait for what?
Or you delete the video.
Delete which video? You can't delete it. This is my phone. You can't even do it. Delete which video? This boy na Calabar, yo. India started do this the way they do. India started do this the way they do. Go try for India more. Gucci shop there India more. If you enter Sefe, go the security where they work on there, they'll first beat you. So far say you they talk to one India and they talk to wicked devil. You they can't support them. Anytime I come na so. Anywhere I go na so. Come on, my pass, brother, you. Other people now the mumu where you don't know what they do. If you get brother for India, they'll tell you what the injustice where they face. Come on, brother. Mother, come on, my pass. Another wait. See on our brothers now, the African brothers with this. They attack me because they talk to Indians. They don't know what the Indians they do us. And they say they deport us. And they say they keep us for prison. Indians when they go for prison. They go. We don't commit crime. What the people don't know? My friend, they go anything. I beg come out here. Mumu people. May we all in India first now. Then I go no. May we all in India.
That's why they owe you.
Mumu people. India went wicked. Now the Nigerians be this. I tell you don't see India where they put on for prison. Now our brothers they protect them here. Even when we vex our own police self no fit stop us. Not even our federal government. You don't understand? See, as they keep us for their prison, we go keep all the Indians for our prison too. When you go and promote the police station, don't see India man for police station was. Oh, you are going India, may you see our people. Now we fool all their police station. Now we fool their prison. Black people. Indians not the enter prison yet. Una can't tell us say we they do Yahoo for their country or we they set wrong. What the Indians they do for Nigeria? Not be the day our forests they mine our oil. Go Shedo that they mine oil there. Illegal mining. Now big reach the crime where we they commit for their country. Now big reach. No India go get peace. If we not get peace for their country, no one go get peace. We go let all of them know for everywhere. Nothing go happen. I greet you, brother.
You know I'm the one in charge of security in the shop, right? And you're doing it. Is it proper the way you're doing it?
Sir, you might take it that is not proper. Hold the phone. Don't need to back camera. Go this time. You might take it that is not proper, but there's no proper way of doing it, sir. I'm talking. See, excuse me.
No, everything they show now.
No, you can't.
What?
But this is the way we are going to do it. Sir, give me my phone.
Yeah, wait. It's online. So, what do y'all do? I don't understand. Y'all question.
Video. He said you useless. That is going to useless.
They want to put that 12 years. They want to put any of them. No. Me, I'm going on my own. I want to protect people when they protect us. When keep us in prison.
Money go.
People when keep us in prison.
Come, Momo go here with you.
go where? No, they shift to the phone. They shift. Don't go.
Yes, as long as say I know say I dey talk the truth. But now, you know how many places we don't stay for India? India. Don't stay 1 year for India. You must find them for prison. You know they protect them. Wicked people. Now they protect here. They're not gonna get peace if we not gonna get peace for their country.
Fuck up, all the guy they be doing kind of
That's what they're gonna do. If they don't do anything, all of these people stand and they fuck up.
come across. Go do it to your baby. Come first, Vegas. Vegas, come.
Even know I tell you now, they see the struggle where they go on, Abi. And just because I speak out, I was talking to some Indians and I spoke India with them. And they tell them about the problem where we they face. When our people don't come, that means they won't carry go to fan to give Indians. This to tell you how stupid we are.
Look at your sister.
No, not follow me. Go collect my bag with that guy. Go meet him. Take my number. Call them. Tell them they call me. Collect the bag. Go your own. Call me later. My phone there with me.